Good morning to students. So today let us study chapter number 16, surface area and volume. Let's recall. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice open bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Okay, this formula if you remember. Then the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. Okay, so this is a cube and this is a cuboid. Okay, so now we also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Therefore, 1 square meter is equal to 100 into 100 square centimeters. That is equal to 10,000 square meters. That is equal to 10 raised to 4 square centimeter. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 1 square centimeter is equal to 10 into 10 square millimeter. That is equal to 100 square millimeters. That is equal to 10 raised to 2 square millimeters. Now let's learn. The cuboid, cube, cylinder, etc. are three-dimensional solid figures. These solid figures occupy some space. The measure of the space occupied by a solid is called the volume of the solid. So this is the definition. You should understand and you should learn it. Volume of the solid. So what is the definition? The measure of the space occupied by a solid is called the volume of the solid. You can mark it. Next, let us learn standard unit of volume. The cube with side 1 centimeter is shown in the adjoining figure. The space by this cube is a standard unit of volume. It is written as 1 cubic centimeter, or in short it is written as 1 cc or 1 centimeter cube. This one length, breadth and height. Okay, so 1 cubic. Cube means 3 cubic centimeters. Now let us see activity 1. Get some cubes with side 1 centimeter. Arrange 6 such cubes as shown in the figure. We get the cuboid of length 3 centimeters, breadth 2 centimeters and height 1 centimeter. Note that the volume of the cuboid is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 cc's or cubic centimeters. Okay, I hope you have understood this activity. Let us go to the second activity. The length, breadth and height of the adjoining cuboid is 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters respectively. Okay, so the length, breadth and height are 3, 2 and 2 centimeters. In this cuboid, there are 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12 cubes of volume 1 cc each. Okay, so from this we get the formula. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, taking L for length, B for breadth and H for height. Formula for volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. So I hope you have followed this formula and you should learn this formula. Okay, now let us go to the next page, 107. Activity number 3. Okay, so let's go to it. Now here in the adjoining figure, 8 cubes each of volume 1 cc are arranged. By this arrangement we get a cube of side 2 centimeters. Note that the volume of this cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. From this, if the side of the cube is L, then volume of the cube is equal to L into L into L, that is L cube. Okay, L into L into L, that is L cube. Followed everybody? Yeah. Now let us see the volume of a liquid. What do you mean by it? The space occupied by a liquid in a container is its volume. So you can mark that definition. The space occupied by a liquid in a container is its volume. We know that the units for measuring the volume of a liquid are millimeter and liter. An empty cube of size 10 centimeters is shown in the adjoining figure. Okay, here. Its volume is 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000 cc's. If this cube is filled with water, the volume of the water will be also 1000 cc's. This volume is called as 1 liter. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc's, that is equal to 1000 ml. Hence, 1 cc is equal to 1 ml. Okay, 1 cc is equal to 1 ml. Therefore, the volume of the liquid filled in a cube of side 1 centimeter is 1 ml. I hope you have understood this. Now let us go to the solved example. The first example. Find how many liters of water will a cuboidal fish tank contain if its length, breadth and height are 1 meter, 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. Now the lengths are given as 1 meter, 40 and 50 centimeters. Now all the units should be, all the readings or the length should be in the same unit. So we will convert meters to centimeters. The water contained in the tank is equal to the volume of the tank. Length of the tank is equal to 1 meter, that is equal to 100 centimeters. Breadth is 40 centimeters and height is 50 centimeters. Therefore, volume of the tank is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 100 into 40 into 50, that is equal to 2 lakh cc's or cubic centimeters. Volume of the water in the tank is equal to 2 lakh cc's, that is equal to 2 lakh upon 1000. So now the 3 zeros from 1000 gets cancelled and top 3 zeros of 2 lakh gets cancelled. So remaining is 200 liters, since 1000 cc's is equal to 1 liter. Therefore, the tank will contain 200 liters of water. Example 2. The length and the height of a cuboidal warehouse is 6 meters, 4 meters and 4 meters respectively. How many cube-shaped boxes of side 40 centimeters will fill the warehouse completely? Okay, will fill the warehouse completely. Now solution. When all the boxes are arranged to fill the warehouse completely, the total volume of all the boxes equals the volume of the warehouse. To solve the example, we will consider the following steps. So let's go to the next page. I hope you have followed this. Okay. Now, find the volume of the warehouse. Second, find the volume of a box. Next, find the number of boxes. Now, you can see the figure here. Length of the warehouse is equal to 6 meters, that is equal to 600 centimeters. Breadth is equal to height is equal to 4 meters, that is equal to 400 centimeters. So volume of the warehouse is length into breadth into height, that is equal to 600 into 400 into 400, right? cc's. Now step 2, volume of a box is equal to L cube, that is equal to 40 cube, that is equal to 40 into 40 into 40 cc's. Now number of boxes will be equal to volume of the warehouse upon volume of a box. So volume of the warehouse is equal to 600 into 400 into 400 upon 40 into 40 into 40. So 40, all the three 40s, 140 gets cancelled with 140, 10 remains there. Another 140 gets cancelled with another 400, so 10 remains there. Tens are, that is 40 tens are 400, 40 tens are 400. Now 10 of the lower 40 gets cancelled with another 0, and then after you solve it, you get it as 1500. So therefore 1500 boxes will fill the warehouse completely. Okay, I hope you have followed it. Next, example 3. If 5 liter molten mixture of coa and sugar is poured in a tray, it fills to its full capacity. Find the length of the tray if its breadth is 40 centimeters and height is 2.5 centimeters. Coa is milk product. I hope you know it. Now, solution. To solve the example, fill the empty boxes with suitable numbers. Step 1. Capacity of the tray is equal to 5 liter, that is equal to 5000 cc's, since 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc's. Step 2. Volume of the mixture is equal to 5000 cc's. Third, what a volume of the rectangular tray is equal to volume of the mixture. So that is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 5000 cc's. Length into 40 into 2.5 is equal to 5000 cc's. Okay, so therefore length is equal to 5000 upon 100, that is equal to 50 centimeters. Okay, I hope you have followed it. This 40 into 2.5 goes down below, so it becomes 100. So therefore 5000 upon 100 is 50 centimeters. So now I know that volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, that is L into B into H, and volume of a cube is equal to side cube, that is L cube. So you have to learn these formulas. Now let us go to practice set 16.1. So the first problem is find the volume of a box if its length, breadth and height are 20 centimeters, 10.5 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. Now we know that the volume of the cuboid, okay, let us go to the next page. Volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Okay. So the length is 20 centimeters, breadth is 10.5 and height is 8. So volume is equal to 20 into 10.5 into 8, that is equal to 1680 cubic centimeters or cc's. Okay. Next, second. A cuboid shaped soap bar has a volume of 150 cc's. Find its thickness if its length is 10 centimeters and breadth is 5 centimeters. So here, given the volume is 150 cc's, length 10 centimeters and breadth 5 centimeters, therefore volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So 150 is equal to 10 into 5 into h. So 150 upon 10 into 5 is equal to h. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are 15. So 30 at the top, below 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. So height comes to be 3 centimeters. So thickness of the soap is 3 centimeters. Height means thickness is 3 centimeters. Next, third problem. How many bricks of length 25 centimeters, breadth 15 centimeters and height 10 centimeters are required to build a wall of length 6 meters, height 2.5 centimeters and breadth 0.5 meters? Now, let's see the dimensions of the wall. Length 6 centimeters is equal to 600 centimeters. Height 2.5 meters is equal to 250 centimeters. Breadth 0.5 meters is equal to 50 centimeters. Dimensions of the brick. Length is equal to 25 centimeters. Breadth L1, that is breadth B1 is equal to 15 centimeters and height H1 is equal to 10 centimeters. So the number of bricks required will be the volume of the wall upon volume of the brick. So L into B into H upon L1 into B1 into H1. So that is equal to 600 into 50 into 250 upon 25 into 15 into 10. Now you can cancel that as 15 ones are 15, 15, yeah, or 10 ones are 10. You can just cancel the zeros, okay, from the 0, 1, 0 from down with 150 or 250, any one zeros you can cancel and then cancel it accordingly, okay. 25 ones are 25, 10s are you can say, okay. Then 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15, so below 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6 and 2 zeros. So ultimately it comes to 200 into 10, that is the number of bricks required is 2000. Okay, so the number of bricks required is 2000. So I hope you have followed this. Now let us go to the fourth problem. Okay, on the next page. Now here, for rainwater harvesting, a tank of length 10 centimeters, breadth 6 meters and depth 3 meters is built. What is the capacity of the tank and how many liters of water it can hold? So here you can see the length of the tank 10 meters, breadth 6 meters, depth 3 meters. Capacity of the tank means what? It is the inner volume of the tank. So inner volume means what? Length into breadth into height. So capacity of the tank is equal to 10 into 6 into 3, that is equal to 180 cubic meters. Now amount of water is equal to the capacity of the tank. Okay, amount of water the tank can hold means what? It is the capacity of the tank. That is equal to 180 cubic meters. That is equal to 180 into 1000 liters. That because 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. So that is equal to 1,80,000 liters. So the amount of water the tank can hold is 1,80,000 liters of water. Okay, so I hope you have all followed this, solve this exercise, and in the next video we will learn the next part of it. So thank you children very much. Okay.